Alright, so this trick might be just a little bit more difficult than you'd think. So first off, you just start with the palm squeeze, like this. Pretty easy. Everybody knows how to do that. Now, what you do after that is then you hold it at the base. I like to hold it with my thumb and index finger, like this. And then kind of push the bottom corner edge right here, so that there's like a little bit of like, what's the word? Like a little bit of pressure that's building up right here on the cap. Now, what you don't want to do is put too much pressure, because then that's how you destroy your hinge right there. If you put too much pressure, then you're not going to close it correctly. But if you do, then there might be some consequences, because all that pressure is probably going to go straight to your hinge. So be really careful when doing that. If you do this too many times incorrectly, you might end up just like, the hinge might just fall right off. And that, you do not want to do that. Alright, so palm squeeze, and then hold it like this, and then just, not too much, but just enough so that when it pops back out, like this, you could close it like that. So, palm squeeze, ignite, ignite, there we go, and like that. I think it looks pretty cool. And it's really simple, really easy, once you get it down. So just light squeeze, oops, light squeeze, yeah. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Alright, so now that you have learned the double squeeze, I'd like to see you do it too. So if you could post a video response of you doing the trick, then I'd be happy to check that out. Thanks.